Okay, good, because he's happy. Sea scavengers, let's look at vultures you see around here. They eat dead stuff, right? They eat animals that have died out in the wild, which is a very disgusting job, right? But an important one because it helps stop the spread of disease and it cleans up the environment, and we like to refer to these birds as nature's recyclers.
Yeah, nature's recyclers is a great way to put it, and I think that we can all take a little bit of a cleanup lesson from birds like Boris over here. All right, here comes my favorite part. It's his lightning speed exit. There it is.
The local populations have some babies, and one day soon, we can see skies filled with bluebird and macaw together.
Whoa!
Like our little Toco toucan that just joined us. His name is Bruno, so we don't talk about him.
Or it could be like our little chicken.
Namaste there.
Thank you all so much for coming and seeing it here at Disney's Animal Kingdom, and enjoy the rest of your day here. Bye, everyone!
Bye.
Oh, watch out, honey. Another bird. What bird?
See? I didn't see him either.
Kevin! Oh, he's waving at me. Oh, sorry. Oh.
Yeah, they got Donkey Kong here.
Cat.
Like, which animal do you want?
Okabi. They don't need more plushies.
$5?
No. Yeah, these are all 3D printed. Wiggles. A duck.